You want to hand me the other horn I have down there that was drying?
Is that what they're called, horns?
I don't know. Shoot. Here's what we
Yeah.
little thingies. But here's the one we did earlier, and I would dust this with the super gold, and this with the midnight blue, which is what I did with the ones in there. Be careful, because they do break. Okay. But I made a jingle bell, a little bell to put on the top. So what I did was take a ball. Okay, and then kind of pinch a little at the base, flatten at the top. And then what I did was go from one side into the other side, and then split that in half. So it's got like a giant plus, okay? And then poke at the top of each of these, so it looks like a bell. And then dust it with the super gold. And then I fed them on the ends. So if you look here, see they're fed on the ends. That's what I did. That's how I made that.
Ah, nice.
So this is where we ran into the problem. I wasn't sure what's going to work. It tears the cake. If you put something too thick, it'll tear it apart. I can give you the idea though. See, it's going to go out like this. This is what's going to happen with the three of them.
Isn't
okay?
that cool?
So cool.
So now we have to figure out, put our great minds together. What can we do to make them stay? I do have ones that are thinner and not so heavy.
Well, I'm thinking that even if you put one main skewer that goes all the way through both cakes,
Which I have.
into the base,
I have that right there.
and if we can, maybe before you put it all the way down, I have floral tape. I don't know if you have floral tape.
I have floral tape.
We can wrap all. How close will those go to each other?
They hit each other.
They do.
They do hit each other. The wooden parts don't, but the guys themselves hit each other.
That's probably where the wooden needs to hit together.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
something that
and
can go
in the
between
center.
That would
Oh, great minds.
together.
Oh, great.
But she does. Great one. This is my friend Susan Carberry.
Oh, it's so soft.
Beautiful.
I think it's far enough.
I think it's okay, because it's stuck on the bottom.
So you want yeah. Okay, it's going to come out a little bit. Why is this one bent so much? What did you do?
I just picked
Not
it
you.
up.
Not you.
Oh, okay. I'm talking to you.
Talking to myself. Okay, go ahead and hold that one.
Tammy talks to her fondant.
I do. I talk to my fondant. What did you do, fondant?
Got
Okay,
it?
yeah, I guess. There.
Oh my God.
Okay. There it is.